Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Today's lesson, my saying no day. Today, Mum woke me up early. I was still asleep and in a bad mood. I brushed my teeth and took a shower. Mum made pancakes for breakfast and Dad put honey on them. He offered me pancakes with honey, but I didn't want that. I prefer butter. And I said no. So, Mum brought me pancakes with butter, but to be honest, I didn't like it either. I had my breakfast in silence. Sally, my little sister, was especially noisy today morning. She wanted to try my pancakes and I said no again. Dad looked at me and asked,
"Is everything all right, Rose?"
"No, I am feeling asleep." This was the third time I said no. Dad didn't answer and continued his breakfast. At 7 a.m., the school bus arrived, and I took my lunch bag and my backpack. I said bye to my parents and to Sally. Stark, our dog, seemed to understand that I was in a bad mood, and didn't run to me, as he usually does. I am being a silly girl, I thought to myself, and took the school bus. Diana, my best friend, asked me to sit by her side. I said no again. I just told her, I want to be alone. I am feeling asleep. So, Pat has sat by her side and they laughed all the way to school. I felt upset and a little jealous about that. When we arrived at school, I didn't want to talk to anyone. Jeff, Joel and Linda were together. They called me.
Hey Rose, join us.
I would like to be with them, but I saw Diana and Pat coming and I just said no again. I arrived at my classroom and sat far away from my friends. They were happy, but I was not. The class started, and the teacher was talking about my favorite book. I couldn't concentrate, and I said no to my favorite class. What am I doing? I am having a no day. In the afternoon, I came back home. When I arrived home, Stark was sleeping. I threw him a ball. He looked at me, but he was not interested in playing ball. I think dogs have memory and he must have remembered my morning mood. Sally was playing with her doll, and Mum was cooking. I only said, "Hello, Mum."
Hello, Rose. How was your day? I am cooking the dinner. Don't be late. Your father is coming.
At this time, I was really feeling bad. During the day, I said no to everything that makes me feel fine. The sweet pancakes during the breakfast. My little sister. My parents. My dog. My friends. My favorite class. I was not more feeling asleep. I was feeling sad. I would like to start the day again and say yes. Say yes to all these things. When I was thinking about it, Dad arrived home, and he seemed to read my mind, and just told me.
Hi, Rose. Would you say yes to your dad hug?
I ran to him and answered, I will say yes, Dad. Sorry for my today bad mood. It made me feel sad during all day. I am a silly girl.
No, you are not a silly girl. You are only a girl that was having a bad day. Now, I am sure that everything will be fine.
And he was right. We had together a yes dinner.
Do you want a salad, Rose?
Yes, Mom.
Do you want an apple pie, Rose?
Do you want to play with me, sis? Yes, Sally. Yes, Stark. I will throw the ball to you. I was very happy. I hope never more live a no day.